EAS.com, all right? We're going to take...
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
Since January 1st is 2,159, which is 678 above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 76 degrees, and the normal low is 54. The record high for today is 91, which last occurred in 1986, and the record low is 36, which occurred in 1974. Sunrise today is at 7:20 a.m. and sunset is at 7:05 p.m. This is the No Weather Radio All Hazards, KJY 85, broadcasting from the Iredell County Emergency Communications Tower in Mooresville, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the foothills and southern Piedmont of North Carolina. The current time is 10:59 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. These are the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the
Right at 11 a.m.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KJY 85's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings.
For station KJY 85, broadcasting from the Iredell County Emergency Communications Tower located near Mooresville on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Cabarrus, Catawba, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Iredell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, and Rowan. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Tonal Alert Test.
These are the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Wednesday, October 3rd. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was fair. The temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point 68, and the relative humidity 71%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.17 inches and steady. At Statesville, it was fair. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 68, and the relative humidity 77%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.17 inches and steady. At Gastonia, it was fair. The temperature was 77 degrees. At Monroe, it was fair. The temperature was 75 degrees. At Salisbury,
I'm gonna have to do something about this 261.
at Rock Hill, it was fair.
Because even with a clear signal, it's still refusing to activate. Hey. Whatever. The 262 activated though. This is very dusty. Hold on. Very dusty. 12521 went off. Version 2 activated, but did it get the no message glitch? It did not. Good. Okay. There we go. Two WR100s and absolute galore. This one activated, but it shut off. The Zone Guard Plus's beautiful green light. 74210 activated. I was having trouble with it earlier.
Into a Zoom room with flawless HD video, crystal clear audio, and instant wireless sharing. It'll even work with your existing hardware. Start your meetings with a single touch, or use Zoom's new voice command feature. Hey Zoom, start meeting. Huddle happy. Visit Zoom.us to set up your free Zoom Room trial today. That's Zoom.us. Zoom video conferencing.
I'm getting Minnesota's required monthly test right now. Not even kidding.
This is a coordinated monthly test at the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone.
That literally just happened. That literally just happened. I just got a test from Minnesota. Minna-frickin-soda. Not kidding. Hey. And by the way, guys, yes, Radioactive Girl 00 is with me. Anyways, Radioactive. Power of DXing. The power of DXing, my friend. The power of DXing.
Hello there.
With the Sanji and CL100.
I was about to ask you, are you DXing?
Yes, I was. That's how I caught that test. Thanks to... Hold on if I can zoom in. Thanks to Norfolk Southern Storm, right over there, reminding me about Minnesota.
Holy crap, it's freaking pouring over here in California. Oh my god.
Hey, enjoy it, because California, along with the majority of the West Coast, they don't get jack shit for precipitation.
Pretty much.
So yeah, that was Minnesota, people. How about that for a test? Oh no, they're not gonna do 3, are they? Okay, good.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed a system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
You, sir, stuttered. Good job.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed a system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
One. That's 2. No, that's 2. That's 2. That's 2. That's 2. Hello? Where the fuck did you go, mister? Huh? Where the fuck did you go, mister?
Well, he disappeared.
He dis-a-fucking-peared. He dis-a-fucking-peared. What the piss? What the piss? What the piss and piss?
We're going to do honorable things.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, emergency information messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Richmond extended area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
That was WRVA.
Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Just started playing Forza Horizon 4, and they're already testing. This is 770 now. WABC, I believe. No.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
So, not only do you fuckheads take so fucking long to relay the goddamn test, you decided to mock the almighty Tennessee! Yet again, New York has proved themselves to be a bunch of Tennessee mocking sons of fucking bitches.
How much do you want to bet that was Katie? Yeah. Yeah, I knew she would say something about it. I knew she would say something about it. Wow.
Fucking WABC.
As soon as you said that, Katie, they started testing.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System has been designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
Just got Ohio. Nice. You guys better not do 3 tones. You Tennessee mocking sons of bitches!
This is a monthly test of the Emergency Alert System. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado watch, tornado warning, flash flood warning, or a hurricane warning, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the state of South Carolina and the Columbia area. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
Hiding in...
You Tennessee mocking sons of bitches.
That's what you're doing right now.
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
That was it.
That's it.
That's it.
Wow, that was short.
Right.
That was really short.
By the way, guys, I'm also on a call with Miss Radioactive Girl 00. This...
Hello there, everyone.
Yeah. This devious sweetie right here is with me.
Yes.
So, eat. Oh, they're all going off at one time. They're all going off at one time.
WXL-70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous receivers will be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. The section of this broadcast and the one will vary any given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the country. Even when your vision is impaired, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. Broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Iredell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards for an alert test. Tonight, clear until until midnight, then mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 50s. It was fair with a temperature of 56 at Hickory, 47 at
Huh. Nice one.
night, then rain likely after midnight.
Nice to know that this activated. Huh. So they all went off at the same time. Not a good activation, though. Not a good one.
Friday, rain.
Absolutely not a good one.
Sunny. Rain. Night.
As far as that goes, not a good one. Oh well.
Warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated. Thunderstorms. Broadcasting west of Nashville on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Avery, Buncombe, Burt, Ewood, Anderson, Jackson, McDowell, Madison, Mitchell, Holt, Rutherford, Pennsylvania, and Yancey. This concludes the No Weather Radio. All hazards for an alert test. Sunday.
Oh, look, my version 5 is saying check reception.
Chance of rain 30.
I'm setting that on channel 6 again. Let's see this. Oh, whoop. There goes KJY85 already. Oh, they're all going off.
Warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special wind receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather,
The HH activated.
postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any time location. This availability normally necessary greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazard watches and warnings. For station KTY85, broadcasting from Iredell County Emergency Communications Tower located near Mooresville on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The warning alarm will be activated for
Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the No Weather Radio. All hazards for an alert test.
All hazards for an alert test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.